going on right now. Dow's up 450, Nasdaq's up 250. Michael Lee is with us. Now, this man has got a reputation as being the Super Bull, but I think you are beginning to change your tune for the short term. I read your stuff, and you say that things are getting ugly. Explain yourself.
Stuart, this PPI number today was awful.
Yep.
Okay, the month-over-month number was terrible. The inflation numbers we got last week were terrible. At this point, you should really we should be seeing some month-over-month deceleration. You could still probably see some large year-over-year numbers, but this needs to subside. And I think when you have Bullard out there talking about how much they need to raise rates, that's the Fed kind of moving their own little Overton window as to see what the market will accept without a total and complete meltdown. I think what you're seeing today is some short covering based on the Russia-Ukraine news. I don't know that we're necessarily going to war until we get a more narrow consensus on what the Fed is going to do over the next couple of years. It's going to be hard for this market to make major directions, and I think volatility is here to stay in the short term. So until you see credit spreads and liquidity disappear, so the Chicago Fed National Liquidity Index is something I watch closely, and look at credit spreads of triple C, double B, triple B, single A. When those sorts of credit spreads start to widen dramatically, I think that's the end of the market.
Okay.
We're not there yet, but definitely getting more cautious in the short term.
You're not buying in right now, are you?
No, today I would be lighting up. The things I would be buying today are the things that are down, like energy. You have a huge supply-demand problem right there, and a little bit of pressure from the price of oil was taken off from these tensions easing off. So I'd be adding to defensives, which are up less today than the rest of the market. I'd be selling some technology. We're range bound as we can see, and if this inflation doesn't get under control, we're in a real stagflationary environment, and this could get ugly.
Yeah, a stagflationary environment would be very ugly indeed, and it's coming from you, Mike Lee. All right, Mike, thanks very much for being here. Appreciate it.
Thanks,
See you again soon.